Hi, my name is Chanel and today I will share with you how to add an element like text or an image in 3D space in your 360 photo.
To add custom text onto the wall, in the Photo tab, click Text. Type the text of your choice. Change the text size. Here you can make the text bold, and here you can choose the color for the text. Make sure the position is set to wall. Here you can choose the opacity for the text. Using the advanced rotation settings, you can tweak the rotation on all three axes to make the text blend into the 360 photo seamlessly. Drag and drop the text in your preferred position and adjust the rotation accordingly. Once you're happy with the text, click Save. Let's say you want the text to hover in 3D space. To do this, go to the Photo tab and click Text. Type the text of your choice. Set the position to 2D. Resize the text. Choose a font of your choice. Drag and drop the text to your desired position in 3D space. And now when the user moves the 360 photo left and right, the text will also move to face the user, making it easy to read. To add an image onto the wall, click Image, Add New, select File, choose an image, select the image to add it, move the width slider left and right to change the size. If you want to edit the width and height independently, then click the chain icon and now you can edit both sliders. Make sure the position is set to wall, move the image to your desired position, and tweak the advanced rotation settings to blend the image into the 360 photo. And click Save.
And now you know how to add an element like text or an image in 3D space in your 360 photo.